Korea's most famous national park, Seoraksan, a park that draws 3 million visitors a year, some of whom, I find, arrive in colors that match the bright fall foliage. Nothing says, "I was there," better than this picture.
I'm in Seoraksan National Park and the time to be here is now. The autumn colors are just out of this world. Now there are many things that one can do here. You can go trekking, rock climbing, hiking, but my personal agenda is to conquer the third highest peak in all of South Korea.
Trekkers delight in the daunting height of Mount Seoraksan. I was impressed too, and for a moment felt inspired to scale it. But in the end, I couldn't turn down a waiting cable car.
That's where I'm going 700 meters up, but I'm going to take the easy way up with this cable car ride and I'm really excited.
Squeezing in with everyone else requires strong elbows and a strong stomach.
I'm a little scared of heights. Didn't really realize it until just now, but everyone around me is smiling and the atmosphere is very cheerful. These ladies here are very excited and they actually pushed me to get in.
The pushing and shoving was for the coveted windows, from where you get up close to some of the most amazing colors you will ever see. Trees offer up their leaves in every possible shade of red, and at canopy height, the whole thing can be quite intoxicating.
This is absolutely amazing. I'm totally over my fear of heights now because it's just one of those most unique experiences that you could have.
Once on top, an easy stroll is all you need. The colors look different here, and the nice part is you can break away from the crowds. It's here that I can fully see why so many people come to Seoraksan. This is a park chock-a-block with natural beauty in various forms.
The view here is absolutely, it's hard to put it into words, but you have crimson and gold and emerald green. I mean, the colors of autumn are just breathtaking. If I stand around here all day, I think I could transform into a painter or a poet. It's just something incredible. Taking in this air, revitalizing, and then in the distance I spot the sea, and I'm definitely going to get a closer look because the sea is my absolute favorite.